Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxing, skincare, makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging. Ipsy Glam Bag, it's a $12 a month subscription, which we get 5 deluxe size or sample size products. Sometimes they will throw in a full size item as well. I was honestly not sure if I would actually do my unbagging because it was kind of late and I was not in the mood, but then I decided, for what the heck, let's do it. I had seen the preview on the 2nd, which on the 2nd you can always see your bag, and I just wasn't excited. But anyways, you guys, let's get to it and open her up because, yeah. So this month we got this very gorgeous, kind of like velvety looking pink bag. Honestly, this is partly the reason why I didn't skip this month, because this bag was super cute. The basic bag was cute and the ultimate bag was really cute, but the middle, the plus bag, was ugly in my opinion, because I've seen pictures. So let's open her up. There's the card. And one more item I forgot. So I had done an add-on for the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So this foundation typically runs around $45, $48, and Ipsy had it for $12. I've been wanting this foundation for the last year, and I was really glad to be able to get it as an add-on for only $12. So definitely I will have a review coming soon for you guys. It's in shade light because I have the pressed powder and I had shade light. Woo. Now this is our little card. On the back it says feel the love, and I believe that's the theme for this month. On the back it has all the items in our bag, and then it usually includes the retail price for a full-size item. Let's start off with this one, I guess. This is from Covas, New York. Fairy Dust Press Highlighter in Moonlight. This is considered a full-size item and it's $28 retail. For me, I think this is still very small for $28. It says it has primrose oil in there, so that's cool. Here's the color. It is very nice, don't get me wrong. It has a little mirror, so that's cute. But for me right now, I just have too many highlighters to be excited for it. I kind of wish Ipsy would stop sending me so many highlighters. I literally get a highlighter in every single one of my bags or boxes. Next, this is from The Balm Cosmetics. It says Auto Balm Girl Power in Houston. So this is their blush. And this is actually a nice size sample, you guys, because many moons ago when Ipsy first started, I had actually signed up for the subscription and I had it for about a year and a half. And our samples we used to get were like half the size of this back in the day, and it was still $10. And I think, you know, after time, that's when I finally canceled. But the color is very pretty. I will definitely get some use out of it. And ironically, back even then, the balm was one of the big items that they would always put in the bags. It says for a full size though, it would be $26.50. Next is this cream. This is from Dr. Frog. It's called the Water Full Charge All-in-One. It retails for a full size $18, though this is considered a deluxe sample size. This is supposed to do all-in-one. I don't necessarily feel comfortable as doing it as an all-in-one, but I would be curious to test it out and see how it works and see if maybe you know, if it works, if it doesn't, whatever. If not, does it have a seal? It does have a seal, so maybe I might just even save it for a future giveaway. Because again, I do have quite a bit of creams where I don't necessarily need it. So not sure, but again, sounds decent. Description sounds nice. It says it hydrates and it gives us a dewy skin. It functions as a toner, lotions, essence. I mean, again, that's a lot of claims in this cream. Then I got the It's Cosmetics. There you go. I got the It's Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer, oil free. I actually really do enjoy this primer at times. It's very moisturizing in my opinion, though I still do a thicker, kind of more pore feeling primer because I actually own the full size. So in all honesty, I don't mind that I got a sample size of this, because now when I go out of town or travel, I can just throw this in my bag, and that way I don't have to carry the big tube. So that's not bad. Like the full size version is typically $39. And then the last item I got was from Colored Rain. This is a liquid lipstick in 24/7. And this lipstick is considered full size, and it retails at $17, or is it not? No, it still says deluxe sample size, so I'm curious to know what a full size would look like. But this is the color. It has this really cool hot pink packaging, and it's kind of like a mauve tone. Now I have so many lipsticks at this time that I'm just not gonna open this and swatch it because it would go to waste. I will definitely be saving this for a future giveaway for you guys. Now again, that's all the items I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag. Do I think it was worth $12? This month's kind of iffy. Again, I wish they would have given me some of the other items that I saw were variations. So I kind of feel like I got the worst variation of the bunch. But other than that, I do like the blush. And I forgot to mention, I actually chose this liquid lipstick. I had hoped if maybe I chose the lipstick, it would cater it better, but I was definitely wrong, you guys. I was definitely wrong. So this time around, today is actually choice day. Monday, February 24th. So I went in there and I made sure to choose a bronzer, because I've been wanting to try the Ofra bronzers. So I did do I'm hoping they'll cater my bag a little bit better this time around. But let me know what you guys think of my Ipsy Glam Bag. Do you think it's worth $12 a month? Would you sign up for Ipsy, or do you not like Ipsy? I've been skipping Plus the last few months because I haven't liked the sneak peeks. Like this month, I saw the sneak peeks for Plus, and I'm honestly on the fence. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it again. I might honestly cancel Plus at this point, because it's just, it looks pretty bad. Like they have stopped giving good products or good assortment to Plus, and they're only focusing on Ultimate because it was such a disaster when it kicked off. And then they're focusing on the regular bag because they need, you know, a little bit of both. So I don't know. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of my bag. Do you guys like Ipsy? Do you hate Ipsy? You know, let me know. Other than that, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. And before you head out, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.